To clean this device, you will need to take this section off here. It's got 4 Torx screws. Then once you remove that bit, you just lift it off, but don't pull it because there's a wire inside. That will give you access to inside so you can clean it properly. This bit here had a lot of stuff in it as well, which you need to pull out with some tweezers or something. But if you take the top off here, this bit here, you can get access to it. So what you need is a Torx T9 to undo that.